Do you want to know the secret of how to wear a bright lip? You literally just put it on. You just put it on your lips, like the same way you put on that boring neutral color, the exact same way, and then you own it. Now let's get into my tips and tricks for how to apply a bright lip color. Tip 1, keep the eye look simple. One of my favorite things about throwing on a bold lip is how quickly I can achieve a pulled together statement look. Tip 2, choose your lip color. I'll be using Cactus Flower from the Kaleidos Flower Noir collection. If you don't have this color, some other formulas that would work well with these techniques are the Rare Beauty Lip Souffle, the Peripera Ink Velvet lip colors, and the matte lip colors from Persona Cosmetics. Pay attention to which colors look best on you, but don't be afraid to try new things. Did you see me wear blue lipstick out in public last week? A slight change in the undertone of a shade can make a big difference, so try different colors until you find the one that works best for you. Tip 3, line the lips with a nude lip liner. I like to use a nude lip liner no matter what color I'm wearing on my lips. This step is optional, but I find it helpful. Adding a shadow to the outer edge of the lips helps create definition, and it also helps to keep your lip color from feathering or moving throughout the day. I'm using a NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Beige. I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. You want to line right at the edge of your natural lip line with a shade that's just a little bit deeper than your lip. Tip 4, apply carefully. Applying makeup is fun, so there's no need to rush it. Take your time. Work slowly and carefully when you go around the edges. Right, so you want to apply slowly and carefully, starting in the center of the lip, and then come back and do the edges carefully. All right, and then we'll do the same thing on the top lip, starting in the center portion and then carefully getting the edges. Tip 5, soften the edge of your lip color with a finger. Gently glide your ring finger over the edge of the color to soften. This will not work well if you used a lip liner that's the same shade as the lipstick. It will, however, work if you chose to skip lip liner altogether. Switch to a clean finger for the top lip so that you're not accidentally spreading any of the bright color, or wipe your finger off between the bottom and the top lip. And that's it. So don't be scared. If you love it, wear it. Let's do a kiss test to see how transfer resistant this is. Let me get my helper. Madeline, I need your cheek. So let's see how this holds up when I kiss my daughter's cheek. Very little transfer. It looks like blush on that cheek. So that looks pretty good. Good job, Kaleidos. And lastly, our bonus tip. The key to wearing a bright lip color is to own it. Wear it with confidence, love it, love yourself. You look gorgeous. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you next time.